Hello, we'll start from Mathematics Class 8 from R.D. Sharma. Topic Division of Rational Number. Now, in that, A upon B divided by C upon D equal to A upon B multiplied by C upon D inverse equal to A upon B into D upon C. Now, with example, we can see, for example, if A upon B means 1 upon 2 divided by C upon D 2 upon 3 equal to A upon B 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 3 inverse. So equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Now here inverse, instead of inverse we can write directly also 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. Let us see with an exercise number exercise 1.7. Question number 1. First one, 1 by 1 upon 2. So question number 1, first one, 1 by 1 upon 2. Now here 1 by 1 upon 2 is there, so we can write 1 divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, so equal to, now we have to inverse it, so 1 into 1 upon 2 inverse we have to write, so equal to 1 into 2 upon 1. Okay, instead of this step you can write directly also, so equal to 1 to the 2, answer is 2. Now third one, question is minus 3 upon 4 by 9 upon minus 16. Now here we can write minus 3 upon 4 divided by 9 upon minus 16. Now in that we have to do multiplication, so minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 16 upon 9, reciprocal. Okay, this step I had not written directly, I had written which is minus 16 upon 9, reciprocal. So we can cancel it, so 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 3 ones are and 3 3s are 9, so equal to minus 1 into minus 4 is 4, minus minus is positive, upon 1 into 3 is 3. This is your answer, 4 upon 3. Now fifth one, 7 upon minus 4 by 63 upon 64. So 7 upon minus 4 divided by 63 upon 64 equal to 7 upon minus 4 multiplied by 64 upon 63. Now we can cancel, 7 ones are 7, 9s are 4 ones are 4, 16s are 64. Okay, now we can't cancel it, so 1 into 16 is 16 and minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. So you can also write like this way, minus here 16 upon 9. Now another one, seventh one, minus 3 upon 4 by minus 6. So minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 6. Here nothing is there, so I can write 1. Okay, equal to minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by reciprocal 1 upon minus 6. 3 ones are 3, 2s are done. Now minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Now minus minus cancel, so equal to 1 upon 8. Now same question, minus 4 divided by minus 3 upon 5, so equal to, here nothing is there, so I am writing here 1, minus 4 upon 1 multiply by reciprocal 5 upon minus 3. Any cancellation is there? No. So minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So 20 upon 3 is the answer. Question 2 is there. Find the value and express as a rational in standard form. Standard form we have to write it. Now you had given directly here, not by written over here, directly division is it is there. So 2.5 divided by 26 upon 15. Let us do. Now 2 upon 5 divided by 26 upon 15. Division is there. So we can write reciprocal 2 upon 5. Okay. Reciprocal of 26 upon 15 is 15 upon 26. So 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Answer is 3 upon 30. Now third one. Minus 6 divided by minus 8 upon 70. So directly reciprocal 17 upon minus 8, nothing is there in denominator, so I will write 1. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now multiply minus 3 into 17 is equal to 51 minus 51 upon minus 4. Again minus minus cancels, so 51 upon 4 is your answer. Now fifth one. Minus 22 upon 27 divided by minus 110 upon 80. So equal to minus 22 upon 7 multiply 18 upon 11 minus 110 reciprocal. Now we can cancel it. Here it is 27. Okay, so 9 3s are 9, 2s are, okay, 11 2s are and 11 10s are. Again with 2 we can cancel, 1s are 2 5s are. So equal to minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Cancel minus minus. So 2 upon 15 is your answer. Now question number 3. The product of two rational numbers is 15. If one of the number is minus 10, find the other. Now product means multiplication. The product of two rational number is 15, equal to 15. In that one number is minus 10 and other number we have to find. So let us take the other number be x. Let the other number be x. Okay, now we can form the equation. X multiply one number is minus 10 and their product is 15. Okay, now therefore x equal to 15. This is in multiplication, it will goes in division. Okay, if here it is in multiplication form, here it will go in division form. So therefore x equal to, first of all cancel it, 5 3s are and 5 2s are. So 3 upon 2 is the another number. Thank you for watching this video.